Using the ConX system, we're going to show you how you can create a professional quote complete with company information such as logos, licenses, and contact details. Once you're happy, you've completed your takeoff, hit Create New Quote. You will be able to get project totals for items that are the same across multiple pages by choosing the Combine Group option. On the quote review page, you will be able to see all of your items and their totals. If you've already got dollar values assigned to them in your favorites, they will automatically be populated here. If for whatever reason you need to reduce or increase the totals, you'll be able to do that as well on a per project basis. Or if you haven't got them saved at all, you'll be able to input them here. If you want to take something off a quote, you can delete them by hitting the X at the far right hand side of the screen, and that will remove it entirely from the quote. In the additional expenses, you'll be able to add in things that you weren't necessarily able to measure on the plan, such as machine hire, labor costs, or site preparation. To add a margin to your subtotal, you can do so here. By adding 10%, for example, it will bake it into each individual line item and add into the subtotal. This 10% is just for you to see, and nobody else will be able to see that once the quote is sent. If you've got your tax set up, you can just click to include it here. A feature that you should be aware of is that by checking these boxes, you can choose to leave this column off the final quote, so that the contractor won't be able to see it, so that they can't see your unit costs, and a lot of our guys don't want that to go out. Once you're finished, hit preview and send, and you will see exactly what the contractor is going to get once you choose to send it. Included here, your logo, all of your information, as well as the marked up drawings. Once you're happy, you can press send, input the contractor's email address, write a note if you want, and then send it. Once you do, the contractor will receive this email in their inbox. When they click the link, they will see your quote in full with all of your information as well as the marked up drawings to go with it. By using ConX Quote, you can generate professional quotes in a fraction of the time, keep track of everything, and ultimately win more work.